Okay, so my boyfriend and I actually started out as friends pa lang. As in barkada vibes, no pressure, chill lang. After a year of being close, I finally admitted na may feelings ako sa kanya, tapos ayun, since April this year, officially kami na. Pero eto yung cute part, I've noticed na he matches my outfits. Like hindi niya sinasabi directly, pero kapag pumupunta ako sa place niya or nagsasend ako ng OOTD pic, parang may magic kasi lagi siyang may suot na bagay sa suot ko. As in, parang coordinated. Like hello. Coincidence ba yan o effort? Secretly, kinikilig ako sobra, but never ko siya kinonfront about it. Actually, even before pa kami naging couple, ganito na siya. I remember may time na we were going to this singles event together. I sent him a photo ng yellow dress na suot ko and pagdating ko sa house niya, naka-yellow shirt din siya. I was like, hoy, no, change ka, baka isipin couple tayo. Tapos ngumiti lang siya and said, hindi ah. Well, people did think we were a couple. Tapos ang ending, hindi rin kami nakipag-usap sa iba. We just stuck with each other the whole time. I don't know, maybe ang babaw siguro pero it really makes me happy. Yung mga ganyang small things, parang ang laking bagay. Wala lang, na-realize ko lang how thoughtful and low-key sweet he is. Sobrang lucky ko lang talaga.